of Mark Butterfly valves. Let's see how Mark Butterfly valves are different than other valves available in the market. The rubber used in the common butterfly valves available in the market is not standard, while Mark Butterfly valve does in-house molding and molds the rubber as per the standards. In other butterfly valves, the shaft materials are generally MS and EN8, while in Mark, stainless steel is used for shafting so that rusting does not happen in the shaft and the life of the valve is increased. In other valves, the disc is attached to the shaft with a taper pin, but that pin either gets loosened or gets out, while Mark valves offer male-female D-slot instead of the same, so that there is no risk of the pin getting loosened or lost, and the torque can also be reduced. Other valves use dowel pin or core screw to connect the handle with the shaft, whereas in Mark Butterfly valves, we give a square in the shafting and join it with Allen bolt so that the handle doesn't get loosened or dislocate in the future. General butterfly valves have MS material for handle fasteners, while Mark uses stainless steel for the same. Other butterfly valves do not have a standard design and thus they generate heavy torque, while all Mark Butterfly valves are of a standard design of the flapper, so the torque is minimized. The mounting of common butterfly valves is not standard, whereas at Mark the mounting is done as per ISO 5211 standards, so that the valve doesn't need to be changed if the mounting is changed. Hava Engineers Limited is the leading industrial valve manufacturer in India with Mark brand, and for the most severe and demanding service of the oil, gas, refinery, chemical, marine, mining, power and pipeline industries. The Mark Butterfly valves are manufactured under the certification and guidelines given by the premier institutes like ISO, API, API 6D, API 600, IBR, ISI. The Mark Butterfly valve product range includes concentric, double eccentric, triple eccentric. Talking further about the valve, the disc in the butterfly valve is positioned in the center of the pipe. Passing through the disc is a rod connected to a mounting on the outside of the valve. As you know, the butterfly valve is used for isolating or regulating flow. The closing mechanism of the valve takes the form of a disc, and its operation is similar to a ball valve, which allows quick shut-off. The reason why butterfly valves are favored to other valves is that they are lighter in weight and require less support in terms of manpower and maintenance. Rotating this mounting, the disc either gets parallel or perpendicular to the floor. Unlike a ball valve, the disc is always present within the flow. Therefore, a pressure drop is always induced in the flow, regardless of valve position. To deliver the best product, the group had their own rubber manufacturing, testing and in-house molding facility. This can be used for a wide range of applications. The choice of seat, lining and disc options has increased significantly over recent years, making the valve a popular choice. Butterfly valves offer a number of advantages when used for the proper application. So now you have a better and clearer picture in front of your eyes. And now, when you are needed to choose the best butterfly valve for your industry,